Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Yadav, cohort of B, Department of Cloud Computing, and this is my final year demonstration of my cloud machine learning project, which is a loan-based prediction model. As you can see here, I have initially read all my three dataset file from my respective drive directory, and I have shown the initial raw outliers present inside my each individual dataset. For example, my loan sanction test containing these number of rows and have these number of outliers. After that, I have uh, I have tried to merge this dataset with the respective column name as ID, age, and income. As you can see, after the merging operation, I got 36 column in my merged dataset, which have a certain number of nulls value. Therefore, I have additionally implement a one column name as loan status, where I have implement a factor as a income and assign a binary value which is no and yes. So there are these seven columns which I need in order to train my machine learning model, and rest of them are does not required for me. Henceforth, I am dropping this column, and this is the final demonstration of my merged dataset column. After that, I try to find out how many number of row containing a null value inside my merged dataset, and these are the sum rows which containing a null value. Therefore, I am trying to drop this null value, and as you can see, the null value has been dropped, and there are only 5000 rows present inside my data set, which is I'm going to be saved into my new file named as clean merge dataset, and in this file I'm going to be able to train my machine learning model. So before training the model, we are checking that what are the outliers present inside my certain column. So as the age and income is a one of the important factor for the loan prediction. So I'm checking what using a blocks plot method, that what are the outliers present inside. As you can see currently, the age column does not contain any kinds of outliers. However, the income containing two outliers present inside the income column. So therefore, in order to clean this outlier, I am using the IQR method, which is the interquadrant method. Divide my dataset into 25 and 75 ratio, which is the lower and upper bound. Basically, in simple word, the lower bound, the value which is less than the lower bound, consider as the outlier, and the value which is greater than the upper bound, consider as the outlier. So this is the line of code which present which is checking what are the lower and upper bound present inside my income column, and try to remove the outliers and presenting in a box plot method. So this is the clean income column. After that, I am using a decision tree in order to train my machine learning model. So I downloaded first I am trying to read my clean dataset file. Here I have defined these are the factor which is going to be work in order to train my model, and the loan status which consider as my target variable in order to implement and train the model whether the person will get a loan or not. Here here in decision tree we divide the data set into a 80-20 ratio, where 80% contain as a training and 20% contain as a testing the data set whether it's predicting the value right or wrong. After the execution, I got this value. The accuracy of this code using a decision tree classification is 82%, and the F1 score is representing the accuracy of the model. In the decision tree, the F1 score is a crucial metric for evaluating the model performance, especially in the scenario which a class imbalance or when a false positive and false negative carry a different cost. Therefore, we are seeing that precision. There are the precision of we can see the precision of 84%, 84% as a positive and the actual value predicted by the model, and recall of 81%, which is the positive instance are correctly identified by the model. Here, as you can see, the we are predicting the actual and the prediction value on the different number of rows. Here, the 0 is the actual value, and the model has been predicted the actual value and presenting the accuracy of 82%. So this is the final representation of my accuracy value. Thank you.